Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so today I am really excited because this is the launch of a new collaboration called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. And that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor, creating with Chris Hunter and Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Now this is an ongoing weekly collab and it's every Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now I'm going to be linking all of the hosts down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, so that we can see what kind of healthy recipes we can get and ideas so that we can start eating healthy and get back on track. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now moving on over here to the video, I'm going to be making some cheesy curry concoction here so that I can have, and my son's going to be eating this, and that's why we're doing it curry. Normally I saute with salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano, but we are going to be adding some cumin and some curry. So what we're doing here is we are browning the meat in a little bit of olive oil. And again, the measurements, I don't really do too many of the measurements. I use olive oil, preferably avocado oil, and then I season to taste. So I don't have measurements, guys, but I can tell you what it is that I'm using. We're going to brown this meat, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now what you see me adding here is some stock, and then we're going to go ahead and place the cover on this and let this cook all the way through. Now what you will see me doing on these Sunday recipes is definitely cooking low carb, no sugar, or very low sugar. So more keto friendly. And the best person that we're going to go ahead and ask questions is Chris because she is a keto coach, and so we definitely want to ask her for some questions. But it's mostly healthy recipe, guys. It's just about making small changes that are doable and keeping us healthy and moving as far as mobility goes. Any little bit helps. So any small change, we make them slowly, and we make sure our doctor says it's okay, because remember, we're not doctors. We're just trying to eat healthy and stay on track and do something or make something that this is doable for us to keep it ongoing, and that we don't get laxed and we decide that we don't want to do it because it's too hard to do. So it is about keeping healthy. This is about making changes that are doable for the whole year, and setting goals, guys, because we want to set some kind of goals where we're losing weight and we are improving and getting healthier. So make sure that you talk to your doctor before doing any major change. So speaking of healthy, I had a few strips of bacon, which I was not going to waste. This was from breakfast, and I thought I'd just cut that up and just throw it right in there just to give this more flavor. And this is going to be delicious, guys. Now we definitely want to simmer this on low until we get that meat nice and tender. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some heavy cream. And we will end this with adding some cheese. And I may go ahead and add some spinach. Let's see. Now, as a rule, every time I add something to the pot, I go ahead and adjust the seasoning. That's totally up to you. And yes, as you can see, I decided to add cheese. So we're gonna make this nice and cheesy and thick. It's just gonna be great. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? So just so you know, everything in this pot that I use to cook and make this dish is keto friendly, low carb, and no sugar. I'm probably gonna have this just like that. Maybe put a little bit of parsley on top, or maybe use a tortilla. I haven't decided yet, but look how delicious this looks. So I think we are almost ready to head on over to the reveal. Now I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I cannot wait to see you next Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the next recipe. I'll see you in the next one.